Hey, email profit makers. This is Fred, the submarine guy. Now you're on week 5, which is a bonus week for the Email Power Profits course. And I wanted to talk about 3 bonus items I'm going to give you today. But first, I'd like to ask you to do something for me because it'll help me improve my course. And that is, I'd like to get a testimonial from you about what you thought about the Email Power Profits course. Was it clear? Was it easy to follow? Were there things missing that I could put in to make it easier to implement or easier to understand? That kind of thing. Are there any big holes that you see where I need to add another module or anything like that? Or what did you like about it? What made it easy? What made it friendly and easy to implement and that kind of thing? Anything you could tell me to let me know how it worked for you and what more I might be able to do to help you in implementing email power profits. I would appreciate it. Now, you can send me an email, fred@submarineguy.com, and tell me about it. That would be great. Even better, if you'd like to record a video and send me the video link and let me know it's okay to use it, I would appreciate that. And if you want to do a Skype call or a Zoom call, or something like that where we could discuss things, that would be fine too. I'm glad to communicate with my readers and users, and I appreciate everything, all the feedback that you can give me. Okay, so if you could take a few minutes, give me a testimonial, audio, email, visual, whatever we can do, I really would appreciate it. And thanks in advance. So here's the 3 bonus items I wanted to give you. Actually, I got 4. So I created one here that only you're going to hear on this video right now. So first of all, the first bonus item is use your thank you page. How to use your thank you page for your offers in a slightly different way to increase the know, like, and trust factors for your prospects. And what that is think of your thank you page as the welcome mat to your universe, to your sales process, to your product, or to your freebie, or to your uh, offers. Okay, so that when you the first thing you want to put on your sales page or on your thank you page is a thank you email. I think that's probably the best thing you can do. If you don't want to do an email or a video, you could always put just a little thank you section there. Tell them how much you appreciate it and like some feedback, whatever you feel like you're saying there. The second thing is on your welcome mat is to make the another offer for your prospects. Have a related product or related service, another freebie, another download, another video, that kind of thing that they can pick up right away and they can get a hold of either for free or for a relatively low cost. It's so important for you to get buyers into your email system so that because they're the ones that'll probably keep buying your stuff if they like what they bought the first time, obviously. So turn your thank you page into a welcome mat. Welcome your customers as if you're welcoming them to your home, but you're welcoming now into your business, and make another offer for them to get some more value from you right away. Something free, something to sell, low cost, that kind of thing. So that's the first one. That's the thank you page. Turn it into a welcome mat. The second item, let's see, I have to look at my card here. Oh, the second item I wanted to mention is if you're just selling one thing with your email marketing course or your email marketing system, I'd recommend you think about putting some secondary or tertiary offers in there. Why? Because not everybody's going to buy your main product or your main service. So if you could come up with a related service or related product, an affiliate product that you could sell to them, it's always good to make a second offer that's related to the first reason that they opted into your list, so that one, you can make another sale to get some more profits, but to also give them a chance to participate at a different level with a different product or a different service. So now that you've got them on your email list, have those first 10 or 15 messages about your main product, your main service that you're selling. But then after that, not only can you keep reminding them about that product, but you can also throw in other products, related services, affiliate programs that you can sell and pick up some more profits from. So that's bonus tip number 2. Number 3, let me see what I put down here. Oh yeah, you might have noticed on some of my blog pages where I delivered this content, I've got a few graphics. Now there's nothing fancy on there. I'm not a great graphics maker, but there's a service called Canva.com, Canva.com, where you can make graphics. It's free. They obviously have a paid version too, but I've done everything I've done with them for free. And you can make ebook covers, you can make Facebook post graphics, you can make graphics to go on your videos, the first page and last page of your videos, those kind of things. Canva.com, great way to kind of spice up your offer, make it look more professional, and give it something to actually have people be able to look at and say, oh, hey, he's got an ebook I can get, or he's got a new video I can get. Looks like a good title. Let me go see it. Things like that. So Canva.com. There's a couple other graphic makers out there. You can Google them. I'm sure you could find one that you like. I happen to like Canva. It's easy to use. You can save it in a couple of different formats. They got a lot of options for free stuff there, backgrounds and graphics and that kind of stuff. You can also upload your own graphics to there if you have like a picture of your face or something that you want to put on a graphic, that kind of thing. Really easy to use. So that's tip number 3 is, boy, my finger's crooked. Look at that. Tip number 3, use Canva to make some graphics to make your offers a little more professional. And tip number 4, here's something you can do for free. Now that you've got an email series selling your product or your service or your offering, and you've probably got some implementation tips to go along with it, either graphics or videos or blog posts or things like that, consider packaging all that up as a product of your own and putting a price tag on it and selling it as a benefit to other people who want to take advantage of your expertise. You might not think it's worth much, but once you have a set of emails and have implemented a sales process, then more than 90% of all the marketers out there, and you can teach that in a set of videos, a set of blog posts, a set of PDFs, articles, that kind of thing, and pick up some extra cash on the side. Anyway, that's the 3 tips. Now 4. I appreciate you going through the Email Profits Power course here. I think it's really good. Obviously, I've got put a lot into it, and it's working well for me and many others. I was just on an email on a webinar with Matt Basak the other day. If you don't know him, look him up. He's probably the top email marketer in the world. He's been making money off of emails since like 1999, back in the dark ages. Anyway, he said, once you get your email system up and running and you know what you're doing, even just a little bit, it's your responsibility to go out and teach that to other people, because it's so simple to get an email system up and running, to make sales, to bring in more income. And God knows that there's people in this country and in this hemisphere that need more income. And you have a responsibility. If you know how to make more money, you have a responsibility to get the word out to them, to help them along to bring in more income. That's what I'm doing. I know it works. I've got the credibility, and you will have it once you start implementing all these email marketing tactics. Anyway, again, back to the first purpose. If you could send me a testimonial, email, audio, video, whatever you want to do, I can get on a Zoom call with you. We could discuss things. that would be great. I would really appreciate it. I really hope you've enjoyed the email marketing power course. It's a good one. You can start implementing that and increase your sales right away. If you have any questions, you got my email, fred@submarineguy.com. Feel free to drop a line. Appreciate everything, and have a great day.